Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Good morning, good afternoon. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas or Hanukkah or holidays, whatever you celebrated. I hope it was great. We're back up working on the lot. Our lighting design guy is here. We're putting out we're replacing all of our light fixtures so we can run electrical wire to it. We're also putting all the boxes in as well. But it's gonna be a good day, and we're super excited to be back up here working. Hope everybody stayed healthy and happy. We're gonna put a box here, but and that would be fine. It would meet code. However, we thought we'd center it with this window, and so what I need to do is I need to build a box so the box sticks 5 3/8 out. Once it sticks 5 3/8 out, we can go ahead and mount the box onto there. It doesn't need to be that way. It's just it does look better, so we're taking the time to do it.
It sound right, boys.
So what we're doing now is we're marking out the floor for the fan. We're putting in an oversized fan from Big Ass Fans. If you've ever heard of Big Ass Fans, they make incredible stuff. We're having the opportunity to put one in, so we're gonna do it. It's gonna be awesome.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Sitting in the bathroom, working on rough fin plumbing. This is gonna come out of the drain, out of the wall, out of the drywall. What we like to do is kind of go around the edges and make them smooth on the inside, and that causes nothing really to get hung up, any hair or anything going down the drain. If there's any lips, you can get stuff caught on there. So doing, just taking a knife, going all the way around, and making it nice and smooth.